We have done a lot of Lexus steering wheels over the years, and this one is off of an IS 300 2002, and it's really not in horrible shape, but the customer wants new leather on it and a contrasting stitch. So right now, of course, the leather is a little bit worn, a little more worn on the outside. Okay, this Lexus IS 300 2002 is all ready to go out. It's all finished out with that Ferrari leather on the top and bottom and the Lamborghini perforated leather on the sides. We also went with the contrasting light gray or nickel baseball stitching, so it really looks good. Everything lays in really nice and factory fit and finish. Anyway, at Craft Customs, this is the kind of quality that we produce on every order that we get in. So whatever you need for your steering wheels or interior parts, reach out to craftcustoms.com, and we look forward to working with you.